city restoration. Restoration of dreams demands clarification of their purposes and determination to achieve them. God loves cities because cities are both a natural outgrowth of human development and divine design. When cities are growing, God has desire to engage with those cities. Why? Because cities are a habitation of people, and God loves people. So where the cities are, God desires to engage cities. Cities are places of accumulation of resources for sustaining human life. Cities draw together human talent, resources, and they tap on the human potential for cultural development. How do you restore the city? Bring in energized people. Because people will have the capacity to think. People will have the capacity to dream. People will have the capacity to work towards the restoration of the city. To restore a city, you have to have an energized population in the city.